Hello friends, today I'll be going to share you do's and don'ts in the campus placement. I have a list of do's and don'ts for you. I hope you will follow it while appearing for the placements. Here I'm going to start with the do's. You can ask the questions and be frank at the time of pre-placement talks. Ask some value-added questions to the company peoples at the time of pre-placement. Pre-placement is usually a selection round. The chances of elimination are 0 and chances of selection are 100%. In my career, I have seen many students are placed during the pre-placement round only. If we ask some value-added questions during the pre-placement, that indicates your passion and how you are excited for the company. If you don't crack the aptitude, if you don't crack a group discussion, the chances of selection will be higher if you have asked some value-added question at the time of pre-placement and are noted by the company peoples. So this is really going to help you. Research the company or organization and align your skills with the company job role or job description. Always be confident and positive. Work on your body language. Be comfortable and give positive gestures while talking with the company peoples. Maintain proper eye contact and your body posture. Be punctual, sincere and reach before the time. Select appropriate attire. Usually wear neat and clean formal dress. Frame and practice introduce yourself. Rehearse it in front of mirrors. Try to incorporate how your skills are going to be useful for the organizations you are applied for. Try to make sure that how your introduction is going to benefit the company if they hire you. Before answering any question, listen questions properly, think on it and then give the answers. Speak slowly, clearly and thoughtfully. Ensure that you have understood the questions clearly. Do not hesitate to ask if you have doubt about any statement. Show your strengths, skills whenever you get chance during the recruitment process. It could be a formal interaction or informal interaction, or it could be a pre-placement talk. Find your weaknesses and ways to tackle it. Your one strength will be used in order to hide your one weak point. Study your CV properly before appearing for interview. Think on your resume, the expected questions the interviewer may ask you. Plan and prepare answers for some unexpected questions on the resume. Keep photocopy of resume, few passport photocopies. Scan all the relevant documents, mark sheets, certificates, PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, photo ID card and keep all of them on your Google Drive. Simply upload all the documents on the Google Drive so that you can reproduce them whenever it is required. Keep at least 2 copies of resume with you. Show how you are passionate and keenness to join the company. Show them you are really excited for the company. Now here I am going to share few do not or few don'ts. Do not sit in stiff posture. Do not give any answer in yes or no. Make sure to explain your stance on any statement. Do not dress casually or untidy. Do not fidget, jiggle while sitting for the interview. Do not interrupt the interviewer before they have finished their question. Do not lie anything on your resume. It could be related with your internship, marks, projects, experience, social works, or any extracurricular or co-curricular activities. They may cross-check with your colleagues. Do not make any negative comment about your colleagues, friends, professors, college, or anyone else. Try to make a positive impression in front of interviewer. Avoid asking many questions related to salary, bonus, incentives, holidays. Do not eat junk foods and heavy food before appearing for the interview. It will make you lazy. Instead of that, you can have fresh fruit juice, cold milk, which will make you fresh for appearing the interview. Recruitment procedure is a time consuming process. There you need to wait for your turn to come. So don't be panic. Don't put any negative remarks in front of any stranger. Keep yourself fresh and appear with positive body language and confident. I hope this video will help you while preparing for the placements. If you find this video as a valuable, please like, share and comment, or add your valuable comments in the comment box. Subscribe my video channel for new upcoming videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your precious time.